Hello guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to uninstall any Mac application on your iOS device. So to do this, first identify the application that you want to uninstall and make sure that you've got the correct spelling. So in this case we're going to uninstall this application, any unlocker. So I'm going to exit and then go to the applications folder. Once in the applications folder, just click on search and search for the name of the application. So you don't have to read in a full, but just write the first few characters. And as you can see, it only shows 2 files. However, what happens is that some files that are in the system files, they are not really shown. So to do this and completely uninstall the application, you need to click on the positive button here and then go to system files, then say include and wait for it to load. And as you can see, there were quite a lot of other files that were also not included in the search, and these are all the files that are related to the application and that you have to delete in order to successfully completely unlock and uninstall the application. So select all the files, then right click to move to B. And there you go guys, that is the simple way that you can simply uninstall applications on a Mac OS device. So in some cases, it can tell you that the application was unsuccessful, and to get rid of this, what you simply do is go to your notepad and also look for whether the application is being used at the moment. And if it is being used, just right click on it and say force quit. This will force quit the application and enable you to uninstall it. Thank you. If you like the video and if it helped, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.